Can you go open the water?
What?
Open the water.
Okay. I'm opening hot water.
Yes, hot water.
This one or this one?
Yeah, the one with the hose on it.
This one?
Yeah, no, the other one.
This
Yeah,
one?
open it. Turn hard. More. Turn it more. Turn more, all the way till it stops. You gotta turn it more, Andre.
Is this one?
This way. Oh, you did open it all the way. Good boy. Okay, so I can see where the leak is.
Yeah,
You see the water coming out of here? It's probably just one O-ring that's gone bad. And this is leaking too. Let's start it up. Okay, move back. Think we gotta change some O-rings.
Yeah, some orange.
Some say O-rings.
Ha!
Say O-rings. See, we gotta change the O-rings.
We have to change the orange.
Are you a dinosaur?
Yeah.
It's got a big leak. It wasn't leaking this bad last time. Oh, move back. You get wet?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go change some O-rings.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we gotta open this part, Andre. Oh, that's tight.
Dad,
Can you see what I'm doing? Look, I'm opening this. Why is this so... Ooh, that's why it was tight. I think might as well just change the O-ring on this too.
Yeah.
There was a lot of pressure in there.
Yeah.
That was silly.
Yeah.
Why is everything so tight? We'll know right away if it's leaking from there. Okay, so we got no leak there. Let's try it under pressure. Still leaking. Okay, I think we're gonna replace this whole pump. Oh, that's tough. Wow. Wow. How do we get this off now? You would think that you just by opening the 4 bolts it would come right out, but it doesn't look like it. Okay. There you go. There you go. It's pretty rusted. Finally got it out. Okay, let's install this new pump. We got a new pump. Wow. Okay, let's see if it slides in now. Look at that. Like a glove. try it out. Okay, we want it like that. We want it like that.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Dada. Okay, that's on. Let's put the filter back on. Let's go try it out.
You're gonna put the water in here, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll open the water, see.
Give you the ones that you need, okay?
No, this one's good.
It's good for washing my wheels.
Yep. Okay, let's start her up. Wash your wheels. Look at that, nice and clean, right? Roll it a little bit. Nice clean bike, Marcus. All done. I just have to lower the pressure a little bit. The pressure was too high for the motor.